Welcome back to this short functional flexibility flow. We're going to get straight into it. So when you're ready, come down to the bottom of your mat and we're going to just take those feet out just over hip width apart. From here, we're going to take the hips down nice and low, sinking the hips all the way to the heels and then drive it back up. Deep breath in, all the way down. Exhale, release. 4 more. 3, 2, good, last one. From here, we're just going to shift side to side into the toes, releasing the heels, opening up this whole body. And as I say, it's going to be a nice short, quick one, really to energize the whole body, get you started for the day, find a bit of space into those hips, those knees, those ankles, and obviously up into the upper body as well. From here, let's walk the hands out in front of us, step the feet back, and then take your body into your plank position. So we're going to keep it super strong, broadening the shoulders. Take a nice deep breath here for 4. Engaging our core for 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to pulse through the elbows. So just taking these kind of little partial pulses, inhaling and exhaling for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, release the body back. You can come up into the toes here. Maybe you'll be bringing the heels down. It doesn't really matter because we're trying to move through the shoulders. So we're going to send it forwards and back for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. Send it all the way back this time. Again, if those heels are up, that's fine. You can even bend the knees, I don't care. We're looking to work into these shoulders now. So from here, we're just going to pulse out through the shoulder. So really thinking about sending the shoulder blades down the back. Try not to start bringing them up around your ears. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Look ahead, step the left foot to the outside of your left hand. Reach the left arm up high to the sky. Find that deep twist. From here, take it underneath the right underarm. Reach back up and back down. So we're going to do 4 more here for 4. Exhale. 3, 2, last one. All the way up. This time you're going to sweep that left arm forward, opening out. So we're reversing the movement through the shoulder joint that we did earlier. 2 more. Last one. And then you're going to open up through the torso as well. So we're going to take that left arm right back, lifting the chest up. And then release. Take the hands down to the ground, coming back into our core again. This time take the left foot to the outside of the right foot. So we're bringing up and over. And we're going to take ourselves into our side plank. Keep everything super, super strong here. For 4, 3. And you're thinking of pushing away through the shoulder. Inhaling. Exhaling. Good. Then from here, take the hand back down to the ground. We're going to come into a little tabletop position, holding, and you're going to take a little twist. As you twist, you're going to sit your bum back. You're going to feel the stretch coming into the back of the lat, and we're opening up into the hips. You're going to come back round, and then you can sink down into the other side. So really lengthening through the right side of the body. Come back through, left side of the body. Right side, back to center. Take that right foot to the outside of the right hand this time. Right arm up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, reach. Inhale. Exhale, reach. 4 more. So you're really opening up this torso now. Last 2. Inhale, reach up nice and tall, and let's reverse those arm swings. So reaching all the way back and release. Inhale, exhale. 2 more. Last one. And then from here, grounding down into those hands, we're going to take that right leg to the outside of the left. So coming across, reach the right arm up high to the sky, deep breath in, pressing away from the shoulder. Inhaling, exhaling. We're going to stay here for 2 more rounds of breath. This time, take the right hand down to the ground, coming back into that little tabletop position. This time, as we twist, you're going to kick through. So taking the right leg underneath, bring it back, twist, left leg through, twist, right. Let's do this 4 more times. Maybe you've got a little jump there for 3, 2, and 1. Bring it back to center. This time we're going to take a little bear crawl. So from here, you're taking left hand, left foot, right hand, right foot. Okay, so bring it there, and then we're going to bring it back. We'll bring it forward. Maybe you want to take some little movements here. Take it around, circle it out. I don't mind how you want to do this. Maybe you walk it back round. Bring it back to center. Hold. Sit your bum right back this time into the heels, looking ahead. And then we're going to drive it out, sinking the hips down to the floor. Opening up the hips now. Lift the chest up, deep breath in, give the bum a little squeeze. From here, you're going to push as though you're going into a plank, but you're keeping the back of the feet on the floor. Hold. Then you're going to sink to the left side with the hip, and then to the right, to the left, to the right, back to center, send it back. Walk the feet back, walk the hands back, come down, just that nice low squat for me. So we're going to start to shift the weight into the legs again, because we'll take the weight out of those shoulders. So from here, I want you to take the right knee inside and then switch into the left. 2 more. Last one. Now this time, bringing those feet in a little bit closer if you can. We're just going to really slowly send that knee forward. And as you slide forward, you're going to bring this knee out in front of you, roll it forward, come down into the knee, and then slide that right leg forward. So we'll switch it round to the other side. So from here, you've got that left knee up in front of you. So then you've got toes tucked in. So you're going to slide forward into that knee, dragging that knee out in front of you. Slide forward into the right knee. So just take your time and then slide that left leg forward. Okay, from here, we're going to bring it back up and around to the back of that mat. Deep breath in, reach your arms up high. Take the elbows out to the side. We're just going to take a few little twists here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Reach your arms up high, big stretch. And release. Hopefully you're feeling a bit more energized. Feel like you've opened up that whole body. Let me know how you got on in the comments below. Don't forget to click that subscribe bell, and I'll see you in the next one.